And welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of Linear Algebra asked in Csirnet 2023. So our question is, let V be the linear vector space of real polynomial in one variable with degree less than or equals to 10 and T V to V be the linear operator defined by this. Then which of the following is correct? So here T is a real vector space and the polynomial of degree 10. So here the basis is what? Number of element in basis is what? 1, x, x square and so on, x ki power 10. So dimension of B is what? 11. So by using this operator and this basis, we designed this matrix, that is T of 1 is equals to what? Differentiation of 1, that is 0. T of x, differentiation of this is 1. T of x square is equals to 2x, and then so on. We find this matrix. T of x ki power 10 is equals to what? 10 factorial and x. So what matrix we got? First here 1 x, x square and so on, x ki power 10, and t1 t of x and so on, t ki power 10. This matrix is of order 11 cross 11 matrix. So first row is 0, next 1 0 0 and so on 0, next 0 2 0 0, and like this 0 0 0, and here 10 and 0. So this is a matrix we formed. So here we see that the trace of this matrix is what? The trace of this matrix is 0. That all trace is what? Diagonal element, sum of all diagonal elements is 0. So C option is correct. And here one row is 0. Here one row is 0 and all other rows are non-zero. As this is 11 cross 11 matrix, so here 11 rows. So 11 minus 1 is equals to 10. So 10 non-zero rows are present. So rank of this T is 10. And since there is one row 0, so determinant is 0, as 0 is an eigenvalue. So B option is also correct. All the eigenvalue of T are equal to 0. As we know, as we see, this matrix is nilpotent matrix. As we see, this matrix is nilpotent matrix, as all the diagonal elements are 0, and it is upper triangular matrix with all diagonal elements 0. So this is nilpotent matrix, and in nilpotent matrix is what? A ki power n is equals to 0. This is matrix of this type. So in this matrix all eigenvalues are 0. So this option is also right. So here all options are right. So this is a solution. If you like this video, then you can hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.